Hello everybody and welcome back to a new episode of my 1920s Lego City. In today's video I am going to start something where I'm not sure if that's going to work out. I'm going to tile the space in between the rails with those black grill tiles. I've bought a bunch of them. They are not enough for the entire elevator railway system of my city, but they will be enough for a testing track, so to speak. So I'm going to tile this area right here where it's most visible in the city. So I'm going to try and see how that looks, and I think tiling this small part, I mean it's what, 1/5 or 1/6 of the entire train track of the entire elevated railway. So I think I can make a decision based on the look that it's going to have in this sector right here. So I'm going to start building and then I'm going to get back to you. And that is the result so far, and I have to say I'm a bit torn. I don't know if I like this or not. I mean, that the curve would look a bit bad was expectable. That is no surprise to me. It's always difficult to tile such a curve, so I'm okay with that, but I don't know whether I like the overall look. I mean, of course, it looks quite clean. However, I also enjoy the look of the, well, other part where you can actually see the train tracks. And here you only see the rails now with all those grill tiles in between. So, yeah, I don't know. I will keep this section for a bit, this segment, and I will have to look at it for quite some time, I think, before I can make a final decision. But let me know what you think about it. Let me know what you think about that in the comments down below. I'm going to give you a few more angles here so that you can, well, make up your own mind about this and write about it in the comments down below, because I really don't know whether I want to keep this like that, or, well, even extend this. Well, if I'm going to keep this, I'm of course going to use this building technique for the entire L system. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going to do that as of now or not, because, well, I don't know. It looks a bit different than expected. Honestly, I thought this would be an easy call, you know. Just the only problem would be getting all the parts, but now I'm not so sure anymore about this look. So I'm looking forward to reading all of your opinions in the comments down below. Till then, have a good day, have a great time, and I see you in the next video. Bye.